Stealth monitoring for remote teams. This is how you can see home office screens like in the office. So remote staff and home office workers are harder to control than people in the office, at the office. So with a software, with a stealth live screen monitoring software, you get the same visibility as if they were on site. I will show you how to install Wolfeye Remote Screen software on remote computers and keep it invisible for the user. So let's jump into it. But before we start, a disclaimer. The software that I'm going to show you, if you please make sure that you are legally allowed to do it, to install this kind of software in your company, because this may not be allowed depending on the country you're operating, depending on the use case, depending on, I don't know, if you inform your employees or not. So please take legal advice. We do not give legal advice. This is a technical video. So I'm going to show you how it works technically, and you have to make sure that you in your country are allowed to do it. So always adhere to local laws and respect the privacy policies where your location is. Okay, so let's start. If you want to see the live computer screens in your company, you have first to install a small piece of software called Wolfeye, and I will show it to you in a moment. And Wolfeye, you install it on each of the company's computer and will receive a link to your dashboard. I say a link to your dashboard. By the way, this is the demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed here. Of course, in your case, it will not be displayed. But I say a link because you will be able to open that link on any browser, which means you'll see the live screen of all the employees where Wolfeye is running from your laptop, from your computer, and even from your smartphone. Yeah, even from your smartphone. So you log into your account then and will see for each of the computer, in this case 5 computer where you have installed Wolfeye, you see the live screen. So in this case, this is the demo dashboard. You see dummy pictures here only, but in reality, you'll see the live screen. And live screen means it will be a screenshot updated every 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah, every 2 to 3 seconds. So you have this time lag of 2 seconds. And you could even take a closer look at one of these computers by right mouse clicking on the link that says live, and it opens in a new tab. And then you see that particular screen big for the whole browser, so to speak, in big. Yeah? And also you could monitor what has been done on a particular computer throughout the day by enabling screenshot history. And to see it, you right mouse click on this history link here, right mouse click, open a new tab for that particular computer, and the screenshot history. So a screenshot every 5 minutes is saved to the server. And in this case, these are dummy pictures, of course. In reality, every 5 minutes a screenshot is saved. So that's how it works. How can you install and use it for a few weeks for free to test and see if you like it? Well, come to our website, wolfeye.co, set your language, and click here the button that says 14 days free trial. You click it, and you can book a live demo, a free live demo with me. It will be with me, and I will give you the download link. But this is what will happen in this demo. The first thing is, just that you know how it works, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will give you access to my screens, to my dashboard. You will access my dashboard and will see my live screen. So you don't see these dummy pictures, you see the live screen of my computer. That's the first step. In the next step, we go ahead and we will both together, I send you the download link for Wolfeye, and I guide you through the installation process. You can use Google Meet, so you can share your screen, and I guide you. I tell you this, make that, because very, very easy and very fast, the installation. I will show it in a second. So I will guide you, and the guidance will allow you to install it by yourself for your remaining computers. The installation is very fast. So here you download this file and double click the installation, the Wolfeye setup file. That's the download link that I sent you. You will download this file and just hit install. You install it. Oh, it's already running. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, so it's running. So the installation folder for Wolfeye is here. I have to stop it. Is C users public documents W. This is the installation path, and this is the software. It's called kernel because it hides from Task Manager. I open it. So now it has been stopped. It's not running anymore. And now I can install it again, so to speak. So you go to the downloaded file, double click it, say install, and it installs, and then you say finish, and it runs Wolfeye. It calls kernel because it hides from Task Manager, but this is Wolfeye Remote Screen software. And to set it up, you just hit two buttons. The first is the share screen button. You hit it, it turns red, it means it's already sharing the screen. And the second is the stealth mode button. You hit it, it goes into stealth mode, hides from user in Task Manager, and but continues to share the screen, and that's it. So I will go to the installation folder again. Here, W is the installation folder. Every time you double click this application, it stops from working, by the way. You would have to again click to these two buttons to run it again. So that's it. Happy to see you in the Google Meet session. Go to wolfeye.co, visit our website, select the language. See you in the next video.